What's up, world? It's your girl Ashley, and welcome back to my channel, Naturally Dope. And today I will be cooking my garlic, sweet and spicy salmon and shrimp dinner. You're going to turn your stove to medium. You're going to use equal amounts of your extra virgin olive oil and your salted butter, or unsalted, whatever you fancy. Once that butter and that oil gets heated up, I add my chopped up garlic. You can make it as garlicky as you like. I realized I put too much, so I had to take some of that out because I'm not trying to die. There's no vampires where I live. It is a-okay. We are going to cook this garlic until it's brown, not burnt. It will burn quickly. Once it's done browning, I will add my shrimp. And I will turn it to high to get that heat back up so I don't steam my shrimp because I want that nice golden brown color on my shrimp. My seasonings that I added are salt, pepper, and garlic pepper. I love garlic pepper seasonings. For the sauce, I have the equal amounts of olive oil and my butter. I added however much sesame seed oil that I needed, however much soy sauce that I needed, however much honey that I needed. I had an extra can of some red pepper somebody marinade, and I just threw it in there a little bit. It's really to your taste. I don't measure, so please don't ask how much I put. About it. You're going to heat this on medium until it becomes thick. Now that our shrimp is almost done on one side, we're going to flip it over. At this point, you do not want to cook your shrimp all the way. Shrimp does not take that long to cook. You do not want it rubbery. You just want to make sure you hurry up and sear it and get that brown on each side, and then take it out. It will finish cooking when you add the rest of the ingredients to this skillet. Here's that sauce that has cooked down some, right where we need it to be, looking like some caramel sauce. Taking out my shrimp because now I need to cook my salmon in that same pot, wok, skillet, whatever that you have. You will see my shrimp is not done. I cannot say do not cook that shrimp all the way. It will be tough and rubbery. I don't know about you. I don't want any rubbery shrimp. I heated up some more oil in my wok because my garlic started to burn. I have those 3 beautiful pieces of salmon, and I'm going to sear them on the skin side for 5 minutes and continue to cook on the other side for about 3 minutes. Salmon cooks really, really fast. Also adding my salt, my pepper, my garlic pepper, and my favorite, my Creole seasoning. Now that the salmon is done, I'll be adding that sauce that we previously made. I will add the shrimp that we already cooked and a little bit of brown sugar to set off that soy sauce flavor. And that's that. You're just gonna mix everything up, make sure it's well coated. And I serve this with wild rice and sauteed broccoli. As always, thank you for coming to my page. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you would like to see me cook. And if you really want the recipe, let me know down below, and I will most definitely come up with the recipe for you guys. Like I say, I don't measure, but I'll measure for you.